In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell online course on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a members-only space where your lessons live behind a paywall, complete with a pricing plan your audience can purchase. Start on your Squarespace home panel, click Website, then go to Pages. This is your site's map and where you'll set up your course area. Click the plus icon in the Pages panel to add a new page. When the options appear, choose Content and Memberships. This tells Squarespace you want a members-only section, which is perfect for courses and premium content. Next, select a template to start with. Templates give you a solid layout for things like lesson pages, introductions, and resources, and you can customize everything later. Once the template is added to your page list, select it to open the editor. Now, refine the look and design to match your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing, update headings, and replace any placeholder text with your course title, lesson descriptions, and supporting content. You can use video blocks, images, and file links for handouts or worksheets so your material is clear and engaging. When you create a content and memberships area, Squarespace automatically sets up the membership functionality in the background. Click the membership page you just created. On the left side, choose Add a Pricing Plan. Give your plan a clear name and description, outline the benefits students receive, and set the price. You can choose a subscription, a one-time payment, or another option that fits your model. Keep the description straightforward so visitors understand exactly what they're getting, like full course access, updates, or downloadable resources. Now, add the pages to the member site. Any content you place inside this members area will be locked behind the paywall you just created. Organize your lessons as individual pages or sections within the member site so everything is easy to navigate. As you build, keep your headings consistent and your lesson titles descriptive to help learners track their progress. That's all. You've created a members-only course area, set a pricing plan, and placed your content behind a secure paywall on Squarespace. Take a moment to review your pages and copy for clarity. Make sure your pricing details read cleanly, and confirm your design feels cohesive. When you're ready, share your site link so people can sign up and start learning.